Huawei officially revealed the much-anticipated Pura 80 series in China, and surely marks a milestone in mobile photography evolution. I'll explain why shortly. Since the camera is interesting, this series has 4 models, including the Pura 80, Pura 80 Pro, Pura 80 Pro Plus, and finally the Pura 80 Ultra, known for being the most innovative of them all. Each one is made to its own markets with significant advancements. Regarding design, the whole Pura 80 series will appear sophisticated and strong with excellent durability and appealing aesthetics. They keep this design style, the Dorito-shaped camera module, but evidently in the Ultra model, the module is completely, massively. All models are resistant to water and dust, certified with IP68 and IP69. The Pura 80, which is the base model, has a thickness of 8.2 millimeters and a weight of 211 grams. It features a flat finish on both sides. The Pura 80 Pro and Pura 80 Pro Plus are 8.3 millimeters thick, weighing 219 and 220 grams respectively. In this case, they come with a slightly more curved frame, plus the camera module is seen in different layers. And finally, Pura 80 Ultra features a thickness of 8.4 millimeters and weighs 226 grams. Honestly, it's quite impressive for a flagship, featuring a slightly rounded frame and a multi-layer camera module. Regarding finishes, the Pura 80 comes in velvet black and velvet gold. When it comes to colors, the base model is available in black and white, green, and a peach hue. The Pro model comes in gold, black and white, while the Pro Plus model adds green and the flagship red, popular in China. Lastly, the Ultra model comes in black and gold without a white option, but looks stunning. Plus, all series members are protected by our second generation. Every model includes OLED displays that feature an adapted refresh rate. The epoch from 1 to 120 Hz. Attenuation is also a very high 1440 Hz, and the touch sampling rate is 300 SAS. The Pura 80 features a 6.6-inch flat panel display with Full HD resolution. From 2760 x 1256 pixels, max brightness 2800 nits. For Pura 80 Pro models, 80 Pro Plus and Pura 80 Ultra, resolution is to see a screen with 4 6.8-inch curves and Full HD resolution of 2848 x 1276 pixels, reaching a peak brightness of 3000 nits. Regarding sound, all provide sound. Stereo sound along with various noise cancellation mechanisms for calls and additional features. Regarding the front camera, all models come with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens featuring an f2 aperture and autofocus capabilities. Furthermore, every device also supports video recording up to 4K with the front camera and naturally with the rear camera too. But it's in the rear cameras where we'll discover the very best. But for the Ultra model, first let me gradually tell you everything that's integrated. To begin with, it features Huawei's X-Mage technology, and all models have a special camera for capturing color multispectral channels with enhanced accuracy. The Huawei Pura 80 includes a triple rear camera, with the main 50-megapixel camera having a 24mm lens and a variable aperture starting at f1.6 up to f4.0. Camera and stabilization. This sensor is RYYB and is relatively large. It is also accompanied by a telephoto lens camera with Paris. 12 megapixels with f3.4 aperture, has a focal length of 125 millimeters, so the zoom is about 5.5x is optical, and finally the ultra-wide-angle camera of 13 megapixels, also of 13 millimeters with aperture f2.2. With all this setup, it manages to achieve a maximum digital zoom of 50 times. The Huawei Pura 80 Pro and the Pura 80 Pro Plus have the same triple rear camera configuration. It includes a 50-megapixel main camera with a focal length of 22.5 millimeters, along with a sensor. 1-inch ultra-large RYYB sensor with a variable aperture ranging from f1.6 to f4.0. And optical stabilization. It's paired with a telephoto lens camera featuring extremely macro focus, so Huawei has named it, with a 48-megapixel sensor, focal length of 92.5 millimeters, so the approximate optical zoom is 4x, the aperture is f2.1. And also feature optical stabilization. Next is the ultra-wide-angle camera with 40 megapixels, a 13 millimeters focal length and an f2.2 aperture. A maximum digital zoom of 10 times is reached. However, the top camera is found in the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. It features a retractable main camera with a 1-inch sensor, offering a 50 megapixel resolution and a variable aperture ranging from f1.6 to f4.0. The focal length of this main camera is 22.5 millimeters and of course includes optical stabilization. For the zoom section, this model is the first in the industry with a switchable telephoto dual lens system featuring a base telephoto camera of 83 millimeters or zoom 3.7x, optical with f2.4 aperture, and an additional ultra telephoto camera featuring a focal length of 212 millimeters, 4x9 optical zoom, f aperture 3.6. Thanks to this. In this switchable system, both telephoto cameras have the identical 50 megapixel sensor. However, the telephoto camera utilizes only a 12.5 megapixel section of it. It's impressive to observe 4 cameras equipped with 3 distinct sensors, as it saves space. Finally, these cameras include a 40 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.2% aperture, so they can cover a wide range of focal lengths, achieving a maximum digital zoom of 100 times. Regarding video recording, I mentioned they record in 4K. However, the Pura 80 Pro, Pro Plus, as well as Ultra models provide. The Pura 80 Pro, Pro Plus, and Ultra models provide crucial ultra-high dynamic range features, thanks to the innovative technology of real-time triple fusion. This reveals bright area details in the image's darkest parts, entirely in the dark path, is adequately and properly maintained. Dark, keeping details intact. According to HUAWEI figures, it offers a dynamic range 15 times greater than the previous generation, achieving up to 16 steps in exposure values, making it truly spectacular. Actually, HUAWEI released a video recorded with this device at a campfire on the beach as night falls, which is an incredibly intricate scene due to the simultaneous presence of deep darkness and bright light in the scene. It looks amazing. We need to test it more. Forward in real life. On the software side, all models come with the latest version of Harmonios. Next, we will need to determine whether these devices are released globally and which operating system version they will come with, since Harmony Next has ultimately taken its unique direction and is quite distinct from what we might encounter with EMUI. Therefore, these software choices remain unknown to us. If HUAWEI ever launches these devices globally, whether they will also be available worldwide. However, for the moment, allow me to explain that they have created system effects that are specifically tailored and designed for this particular series. For this series, like integrate functions of artificial intelligence with the new voice assistant, which even provides interaction through the camera to gather visual information. Additionally, they incorporate interactive themes related to artificial intelligence. There is also a new mascot for the lock screen that interacts dynamically with the status of the cell phone. Furthermore, they incorporate a framing feature powered by artificial intelligence, which provides you with an automatic zoom in your photographs. Among other choices, with batteries, something interesting comes up. In the HUAWEI Pura 80 base model, there's a battery of 5,600 mAh, with support for 66 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. For HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro and Pro Plus, we will find a battery of 5,700 mAh, providing support for 100 watts when wired and 80 watts for wireless charging, whereas in the Ultra model, with more space being used by the camera, the battery size is reduced, now reaching 5,200 mAh with support for 100 watts wired charging and 80 wireless watts. In all 3 scenarios, we will discover a fingerprint reader integrated within the screen. Additionally, there's a feature known as anti-pipping, which utilizes artificial intelligence to notify the user if someone else is peeking at the cell phone screen. This function is designed to enhance privacy and security by ensuring that only the intended user is viewing the content displayed on the device. Regarding connectivity, it is still not particularly remarkable. It continues with Bluetooth version 5.2. However, it does include satellite connectivity, at least for China, with the ability to send messages and other things too, although it does not have mobile signal. In terms of performance, HUAWEI highlights a new ARC engine that speeds up app loading and enhances overall fluidity. Although the processor hasn't been officially announced, various benchmarks and applications have revealed that it's the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra and Pura 80 Pro Plus. Utilize the Kirin 9020G, an enhanced version, along with 16 GB of RAM and choices of 512 GB or 1 TB of storage. The HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro combines 12 GB of RAM with options of 256, 512 GB or up to 1 TB of storage, though clarity is lacking above the processor. Lastly, the base model HUAWEI Pure 80 might include a Kirin 9020 chip to which might be somewhat limited, but it's a bit unclear. What is definitely official is that it includes 12 gigabytes of RAM and offers storage options of 256, 512 gigabytes, or 1 terabyte. The prices announced for China are as follows. HUAWEI Pura 80 starts from 5,400 yuan, about $760 to give an idea of this model. Remember, prices differ here and there. HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro starts at 6,499 yuan, approx $900 to get a quick thinking. HUAWEI Pure 8880 Pro Plus starts at 7,999 yuan, around $1,100, though this Pro Plus usually remains exclusive to China. However, we will see if it eventually launches globally in the future. Finally, the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra starts from 9,999 yuan, which is approx 1,380 yuan. However, it's important to stress once more that the prices here significantly differ from those over there. Typically, in China, prices tend to be considerably lower. We'll see if the price adjusts later. Better overall. For the moment, let me know what your thoughts are on this series and whether you believe other manufacturers will choose to imitate it. This dual lens system that HUAWEI uses, which can switch for its telephoto feature,